Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to reply in WhatsApp. Suppose if you would like to reply to your WhatsApp message, usually you will use reply button. Okay, I go to this particular contact and here, if you would like to reply, just you will long press on the message and a reply button will be here, but as of now, as per the new update, a reply button is not available. Instead of reply button, this is only a forward button is available, reply button is not available. Okay, so how to reply? It has been updated, so where it is, just first you select the message that you would like to reply for and swipe right like this, and yes, now reply has come. Here you can type anything. Okay, so in this way you can reply. I am checking in other message. I go to this contact and I would like to reply to this message, so just right swipe from left side to right side, swipe. You go to select that particular message and then swipe. Okay, so in this way you can easily now reply with a swipe. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.